this area is not finished. So just have what is that? A wind tree? I forgot the word. What is this? What is this? Okay, I have that. Nothing. This, I want to do something with this land, but I don't know. I don't know yet. My beach, I don't like my beaches. Here is some of my fruit trees. I want to make it a big island. So all of my islands, all of these little things are little fruit tree islands. Not finished, but better. How do I get there? Okay. This part will be my library, my outdoor library. But I don't have the bookcase DIY. I can't make bookcases, so I'm sad. When I can make bookcases, I can make a library. I must wait. Okay. Beautiful little river area. And back. Hi, CJ. And here is my flower breeding section. So these are all the flowers. My first purple mum, this flower I got today, and I really like it. The blue roses were given to me by a friend, so I didn't make them. I'm not that smart. But yeah, this is my cloning section. I want these cloned, and this is my breeding section. So today it's snowing, so yay! I don't need to water them. And these are my extras, so I can plant them in different places. This is Clay's house. I don't like Clay. I want Clay to please leave. I really don't like Clay. Yeah, like, no. You're dirty, Clay. Your house is dirty. No. No. He's not cute. He's dirty. No. Goodbye, Clay. Okay, back this way. Hello, CJ. Back up this way. Okay. This is my Able Sisters, my clothing store. Oh, they have a chimachogori in the window. Oh, hi. These are my purple flowers, and this is where Able Sisters makes their clothes. It's not. They don't make their clothes there. Okay. This area is my diner bright section. Whenever I get something bright, I put it here. There's like funny tables and hats and I don't know. I hate this thing. It's so noisy. Why? Why are you noisy? My diner, I don't like it, but it's okay. And this is where my Nook's Cranny is. It's very nice. And a little waiting area for Nooks. Take your coat off and get some petrol. Why? Okay. Yeah. And hello, grumpy old man. And that's my island. I really like it. It took me a long time. I changed it many times. And I'm not finished, and I will do another video when I am finished. But that's it. I really like it, I can say goodbye to you this way. And I'll see you next time. Bye.